chair my entire life. So easy to set up and pack down, even a 7-year-old can tell you how to do it. Righto, Mum. Step 1, pull apart the opposite corners of the chair. Step 2, open up the backrest. Step 3, press it down flat and pull up the lock. Step 4, and most importantly, Rancho Relaxo. You're right, Mum, I got this bit. That's what I call living. Yada-dee-dee-dee, yada-da-da. And when it's time to pack up your chair, it's super easy to put it away. 3 simple steps. Undo the lock, squeeze the backrest together, and pull up from the armrest into your body. Presto! Throw it in the carry bag and you're good to go. Great job, Mum.